Oh, what? How did it? I got something too big on. They're not getting that whole thing in their mouth, I bet. God damn it, Tanner. Thanks a lot, bro. Supposed to have my back. I hope you do. Got something. Yeah, he was too small to get it in his mouth, but he got it though. What? It's a trout. Pretty one. Oh, come on, dude. Please don't lay around. Thank you. Good fish. Oh. First fish of the day for me. Let's let him go. See you, dude. He thumped it on the Ned rig. Dude, like I said, I was fishing it so slow on the bottom, just kind of dragging it on the bottom. And he picked that shit up. He tried a couple times. I got an extra apple. You want one? This one has 2 stickers for some reason.
Oh, now I'm seeing tons of fish.
Yeah, me too. It looks like there's something on the bottom. It's either a big fish or a bunch of little fish. Looks like a bunch of little fish. I'm not gonna lie. That looks like.
I thought I was getting whacked. I am getting
You are.
whacked.
You are. Here.
Hey, wait.
Well, let me get out of your way. Take your apple.
Oh. Oh, God.
Sorry.
No. You fucked up, man. Oh, dude. Oh, God.
Looks like I'm in about 8.7 right now, but I'm like coasting closer to the bank. I'm just out here testing out this new fish finder I got, the Garmin Striker 4. I know a lot of people have it right now. It's pretty popular. Fish just jumped. And yeah, we're just testing it out. I'm just at a local pond and trying to figure this out. So come along with me, let's figure it out. I already caught one. And that's the thing, is I'm fishing a little bit different today too. Trying to perfect this Ned rig fishing. So this is what I'm using today. I'm just throwing this little Ned rig. Green pumpkin orange is the color, Finesse, by Z-Man. Yeah, I'm just throwing it on this little, I think this is 1/8 of an ounce Ned head. And I've had a bunch of bites. I've hooked up on a few. I think there's a bunch of smaller fish that are trying to get after it. If I need to, I will throw the worm though. I'm not above the worm by any means. So it looks like it drops off pretty good, and I'm pretty sure that's a fish right there on the bottom. Or suspended about maybe 11 feet. No, we're at 11 feet, so yeah, it's on the bottom. And then it looks like there's some fish suspended swimming around. Tanner's back there with me. He's using the Lucky fish finder. It's the original fish finder that I started with, and it is actually really accurate. There's a lot of similarities to it with this one. I mean, obviously it's not as detailed, but the depth is the exact same on both of them. It shows the contours the exact same. I've had that one for a couple years. I use it for open water fishing and ice fishing, and it works great. So I would definitely recommend the Lucky Fish Finder for anybody that wants a cheap beginner fish finder. Because it works just fine. I think I paid like $80 for it on Amazon.
Oh, it's like a bass, though.
Really?
Is there any bass in here?
Yeah.
Oh, there's big bass in here. Oh, really? There's six pounders in here. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm not sure what that was, but it kind of looks like that. I live right here. There's a pretty good little hole about where you're at, where that tree is right there.
No kidding.
And another nice little spot is probably grab the dock there with that, well, there's that beacon in the water.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The bass will hang out right there too. So.
Sweet, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, is that right here?
I live in Springville, but I'm from Spanish.
Oh, okay. Right, I grew up in Spanish, but lived out in yeah, so we just go fishing about it every Sunday. Yeah. Well, it's a beautiful day.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, so I guess you want to fish off my dock.
Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day. Nice guy.
I'm gonna stick with the old worm for a second.
I keep getting bit on this Ned rig. It's pretty cool. I know, I'm trying to find some depth. Oh, I got something. Nice.
Looks like it's putting up a good fight.
Yeah, he's head shaking like crazy. He's not bad, whatever he is, dude. It's a trout. Not bad, though. He's a pretty one, dude. That was a big one, dude. He looks like a natural one. He's so pretty. Okay. There you go. He's so pretty. Let him go. Yeah.
She wants to say some added to her Manny girl trip. Miami at the end of the year. Blue the bill sky trying to think clear.
Oh, that one. That one, nice. Dang, he smacked the shit out of it. Okay, this guy looks kind of weird. He's got something in his belly. Big old something in there. Cool, dude. Let him go. See ya. That was cool. First cast in there with this crankbait. It's crazy. I've thrown nothing but bass bait today, and I've caught nothing but trout. Ah, I love trout. They're so cool. I'll freaking munch on anything. Got something big, it feels like. It's a big old trout. Holy crap. Wow, look how pretty. They're gobbling up this crankbait like you wouldn't believe. That's a nice one. Oh, big boy. Look at that guy. Big old red trout. Cool. Let him go. See you, big boy. That was a big one. Maybe I should have been throwing the crankbait a lot more. What's up, everybody? We did pretty good today. Got to try out the new Garmin fish finder, Striker 4. Like I said, works great. I recommend it. Picked up on some fish, caught some fish, caught a really good trout that I'm positive I only caught because of this. So thanks for checking it out. I hope everybody enjoys it, and we'll see you on the next one.